Okay, so there's going to be a part 2 to this video because I accidentally shut the camera off instead of pausing it. What I did was I took this reamer here. It's used for welding tip torches to unclog them. There's all different sizes. So I took this one, and the hole is down in here, which I'm never going to find out where it goes in right now, but I put the reamer in there and there was a blockage, so I just reamed it out and it seems to be okay. So I'm going to reassemble this and we'll see how it goes. Just to show you what I did yesterday, this is your coil right here, and these are the contacts. The one here, and what I did was I cleaned that off real good. I cleaned all the rust off that, and then I took the wire wheel to the magneto. That's not good. I took the wire wheel to the magneto here, and this is the magnet on the magneto. That's the part that you have to make sure is real clean. So I cleaned that real well, and then I had spark again. Another thing I want to let you know, you have to release the engine brake. This is the shut off, and that is by pulling the handle back when you put it into the start position, and I just tied it so it's open. This way your flywheel will just slip right back on again. I'll try to do it one-handed, but there it goes. It just plopped right on. You just plop it right on there. Watch, I won't get it on there again. There it goes. And then you don't want to forget this plastic piece here. Just cools everything off. It's the fins. Everything's plastic today. Used to be all one piece. The flywheel had the fins on it and it was all metal and everything, but everything's plastic today. Then you want to set your top back on. There's a notch in this, so you got to make sure that the notch, I'll have to do this off camera, but there it goes. There's a notch in this top part where the starter mechanism is here. And then just stick your nut back on there. And then take your socket. Tighten up the nut. Put your shroud back on. Put the starter assembly back on it, and then you're ready to start it up. So I'm going to let the engine warm up to its normal running temperature and see if oil still comes out of the hose. If not, then it's okay. The customer never brought me the air cleaner cover, so I just swapped the air filter on there. It seems to be okay. Yesterday when I did that, the oil was going into the air cleaner housing, going through the carburetor and out the exhaust. It was smoking like crazy. So it seems to be okay. So that worked. I hope this helps somebody else someday. Thanks for watching.